this is going to take care of to get all the screws out, and then I can clean my mass air flow sensor. If not, the next thing goes to the spark plugs, and I gotta figure out the small plugs too. This DIY stuff, it's annoying, but it's worth it, because it's just, these days, man, you have to say no, man. And you're thinking, oh, I have to say no to what? To everything. I don't want to pay no money. If it is about me learning how to do it, then that's exactly what you need to do. Take your time and learn how to do your work, for your cars, for your home, for everything. I don't care what it is, bro. Do it on your own. Because I mean, they'll take all your money, man. And it works. It's too expensive. You know, it's too expensive to get anything done no more. You know, I wanted to go and get a tune up, and man, my car is 22 years old, and I'm figuring, man, it'll probably be $200. No, that shit is $700. And it's like, why? It's a freaking Honda. It's 20-something years old. Oh, that's because we really have different policies, and everything has to be this and everything has to be that. No, you just want more money. You just want more money. And I'm at the point now, no. My whole thing is no, bro. No. I had Verizon. Yep. And now I got Cricket. Yeah, I got Cricket, bro. My freaking Verizon bill was $400 for one phone and a freaking and my old lady's phone. And plus, I think I had a tablet too. After all of the things left, the next year, it was $400 change. And now I'm doing all of that. My old lady's is $400, is $40. My bill is $40. And I don't need the freaking tablet. And I'm doing just fine. I paid this truck off, this F-150. I could go get a new truck. Like you said, I can hear a little, I can hear a little stuff, but you know what? It can keep running. I'm not doing it, bro. Matter of fact, I told my old lady, what we need to do, we need to start getting smaller cars. Smaller cars have less problems. So what I'm looking for, Honda Civics, Yaris, what do they call it, a Rawless? I had a stroke, y'all, so it's like, I can't speak that well. A Yaris, I need to get me something like that. First of all, I don't want any, I'm buying no more cars after this that are freaking automatic. I don't do that. It's more problems. No. You just have to get to the point and just say no. No. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Somehow, Roku has figured out how to get behind the lock around my Cash App. Now they can get around it. Right there, I said, I don't mess with Cash App no more, and I don't mess with Roku. Straight up. I said, oh, I'm taking all of my accounts. I'm getting rid of all of them. What? I need a new one that has never touched a actual subscription. No. We have to start saying no, bro. Absolutely not. No thank you, no thank you, no thank you. When I want something in my Cash App, I'll put some money in there to do what I need to do on the internet. That's it. But you can't get my real company. You can't get into my real bank account. And that's exactly what you're supposed to do. No. Why do those old dudes, it's so funny, oh man, they're so hard, they do so much work, and they have an old truck, and they have the best car I could probably get right now could be a Ranger. I want a 94 Ranger. I'm sick of it, bro. I'm sick of all of it. I said, what does the old do? Before I do something, I think, what can I do like old people? Because they got it figured out, bro. And you know how they do it? What? No. No, I'm fine. Do you? Nope. I'm good. No. They got through a lot of problems back in the day by saying no. Just say no. That's the best way to do it. No, I'm good. I don't want what you're trying to give me. Because these corporations, they want all your money, and they're supposed to. That's their job. I'm not gonna hate on that, but you have to say no. Absolutely not. If an inscription is on your bank account, get rid of the bank account immediately. Those are like leeches. Get rid of them. If you used it, no. All of your shit should go to a cash app. It should never. Let me tell you something. It should never can go to your bank account. It should all be Cash App. And if it says, oh, we don't do that with Cash App, don't use it. Do not use it. I don't want it. That's how you do it, baby. That's a fact, Jack. So, it's me talking some crap from Sean Brown's channel. And, you know, I do DIY stuff. And I rant about life. I'm sick of it. You understand that? I'm sick of it. And what are you sick about? Everything. I'm mad at his road, his water right now. I'm sick of it. I don't eat meat, because I'm sick of it. I don't know if you're putting hormones in it. I don't know if you're putting drugs in it. I don't know if it's organic. I don't know. Now I don't want no meat now. Why? Because I'm sick of it. That's why. I'm sick of it. So, yeah. That's how I go, baby. That's how I get down. Get off drugs. Alright. I had to turn this. Now what I'm going to try to do is to pull it open, get it off. And then I can spray it and get it in a better, take care of it. Once I spray it, it's supposed to fix it. You know, a lot of it is just it's dirt. That's why it says never ever buy one of these, because you could just spray it. Now, if the actual DIY video is correct, I fixed this with $12. This whole show, this whole channel is to make it cheap. That's what this is about. Being cheap. One more, man. That's fucking crazy. That's basically what this is about. Make it cheap. Now this thing does not want to do what I want. I'm not a what do they call it, a mechanic. I'm just a working man, and I don't want to give nobody no money. That's my new thing now. I'm not paying you, bro. This would have been $300 to get done, and I don't want to spend the money. That's all it's about. All right, here we are. Here we are. Okay. Got it done. All right. Let's see if this is gonna work. I got it off. I sprayed it off. Now, if my speech is not the best, I had a stroke a year ago. I'm at the point where I can talk a little bit, but it is not as the best. So please bear with me. I've got the O2 sensor off. The first one, the front one. The other one is in the, what do you call that? The catalytic converter. I can't say that word. It said don't worry about that one as far as spraying it, because if it still doesn't work, I'm gonna go to the mask air sensor. But I'm having a problem with that too, because the bolt, the screw, is stripped, so I cannot take it off. So yeah. So now the new conversation about DIY is, how do I take out a stripped bolt? I'll show it to you. Yeah, that's it. I don't know what to do with that. So yeah, I'm at the point with this car is that I just love this truck. I love this car. I got it from New York when I was in North Dakota, when I used to live in North Dakota. There's a lot of problems with it. There's a lot of rust and everything like that. And I just like the truck. I just like it, man. I bought it for like $1,000 and some change. So I'm trying to do all the cheap ways to do it, and you know, have some content about it. I have a 14 F-150, and that's my real truck. And this one, I'm trying to get this to the point where I can drive it to work and just leave it alone. But it's hard. It's hard. So the next thing we have to put on the hickamajiggy, the actual old school sensor, back into it and see if it works. Then I'm gonna change this, and then I'm gonna put a new air fence. Oh my God, man! After the stroke, it's hard to talk, man. Air filter in it, and then I'm gonna get it looked on the scan tool and see if some of this shit went away. If not, then I have to switch to the next thing. I'm gonna buy a new one of these, and I'm gonna buy both two sensors, and hopefully it changed there. If not, the next conversation is I need to get new these. That's what they call these. Y'all tell me what these are called. And I gotta put my spark plugs in it. And like I said, I just love this truck, and I'm just gonna take my time, and if it doesn't work, I just leave it at the house and keep fucking with it. And sorry for my language, and just keep on going, man. So yeah, that's what I gotta do. All right, speed out. This is I just got that from Lowe's. It was $19. These are the little thingies. You have a drill. And actually, I think I got some. There we go. That's what I'm using. This is what I use to clean my mass air flow sensor. So let's see if I can get this thing off. Alright, let's see if we can do this. Try the other side. Not off. Belt thing, it's a scam. Does not work. I don't know what else you're supposed to do. It just doesn't work. So $20 gone, and it doesn't work. Don't spend your money. At this point, nothing works. At this point, should I freaking junk this car? Just one thing, nothing can be fixed. It was in North Dakota, so a lot of rust. At this point, should I just jump it? Should I junk it? In my mind, that's how I feel. It's like I just need to get another car. You know, I have my other car, but it's at the point now. It's too much work, and nothing works. And what I mean, nothing works, like if you could fix it, cool, but nothing. Everything's rusted. You can't take anything off. You can't do anything, and even the screws, you can't even get the screw out. It's just nothing works. So I think, you know, it drives, you know, but it's always something. Once you fix something, then in the electric system, it says something else is on it. And then something else is wrong. And something else is wrong. It's like, should I just get rid of this car? And just should I do what in my mind is what? Get the smallest car and get it older. I want something in the night. I want nothing with no computers. No computers. So what should I do, man?